This is Irontrader, and it is Hump Day, which means it is Crude Day. Now, the API report came out last night, and it was kind of a mix. You had a good draw in crude, but everything else was pretty good, a mix. So now we have to watch the EIA report here out at 10:30 to see if it confirms. So as usual, let's just review crude oil here and natty gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily chart. Now, if you've been watching my videos, this is no surprise to you. I told you when this 8 SMA crosses below this 21 SMA, what do you have? You have this right here. Okay, I've been posting this bear flag here. If it can close above, now here on Monday, yeah, it went above, but it closed below. See that bear flag? Just like here, bear flag, bear flag. Gives you an illusion that it's going to run, and then it doesn't. It closes below. Okay, so now where we're going to go right now? So today's low, what do we have? 78.29. Now, why did it go to 78.29? Well, you got to look at this candle right here. What do you have? Okay, 78.29. Okay, so that's support. Now, the next level we want to go to is this breakout candle right here. Okay, so this is 77.33. That is going to be the next level, and then we come down to this 200 SMA sitting at 76.48. Then we have your 50 sitting at 76.29. And then you have your 100-day right below that sitting at 75.43. So now we know what the downside is. But if you look at this pattern, I've been breaking your balls here for how many weeks here now, telling you about, look at this. If this crosses over, this is what you get. And this is exactly what happens. See, if you follow the charts here, use just candlesticks, simple moving averages. It's very easy to trade. You can make money very easily without all that headache. Okay, so now we have a bear flag. So what do we have here on the upside? Well, got to look to the bottom of this candle here. Okay, so you got 79.46. Then what we want to do is look at this 8 SMA here. So you're looking at 80.24, and then we have above that you have 81.18, and then we have Monday's high sitting at 81.75. Okay, that if it goes up, you know, and then again, if it goes higher, we just follow the candles all the way on up here. But right now, this isn't going higher. This is going lower. Look at this. See, you're making consistently lower lows here until you find some kind of a support here. So bottom line here is watch the next level here. If this 78.29 is lost, then you look to this 77.33. Then you look to the 200 SMA. That is going to be key support here. And then your 50 SMA here sitting at 76.29. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, your monthly chart here, well, so far still intact. But the key level here to watch is this 8 SMA right there. Okay, so you're looking at 75.80. That is going to be key. Now, again, then if that is lost, there's that 200 SMA sitting right below it. You're sitting at 72.92. Then you have 67.05 here on your 50 SMA. Then you have your 60.14 is your 100 SMA. That's on the weekly. Now, our monthly chart here. So you got time with this here yet. It's only 23 days into it. So let's just look here on the weekly chart. Okay, well, quick review here. This was the key right here, 83.53. Popped above, but could not close. Look where it closed, 83.04. Okay, so that pop-up doesn't mean nothing. It's got the closing number is the key. Now we got red candles here. Okay, so now you are below this 8 SMA here. Okay, that is going to be key support. You need to close back above. That's 78.91, and then we have a 77.98, and then we have right down here this 21 at 75.67. This 75 level area right here is going to be very, very key. If that's lost, we're going right here, 68.46, and then possibly 63.64. So there just isn't. This is very bearish here now. Okay, even like when you look back on that daily chart, it's very bearish. Once that crosses over, you got to be short. Okay, so today we'll see what the EIA report plays out at. Hurricane season isn't really adding up the whole lot here as far as huge storms here. So we just got to see how it shakes out. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas, your hourly and your 4 hour chart. Well, your key level right here is going to be 52, 2.524. That is your key level here. Now, today's low so far here is 2.525. So as of right now, this double bottom is still holding. But if we close below this, well, then here's your target. Very easily, 2.457. That's very easy. That's where she's going to go. So watch that key price channel here at 2.524. That is going to be your key level. On the upside here, well, you got to reclaim here. You got your 8-day at 2.55. You got 2.58, and then you have 2.65 here. But the key is just watch that key level here at 2.524. You lost. There's your target. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a monthly chart. All right, here we have your weekly chart. Okay, not a monthly, your weekly. Okay, so you're still with the pinball action. So upside there you want to look at is going to be 2.61. Downside, you want to look at 2.46. Okay, so you're still basically a sideways action. All right, let's see what we got here on your daily chart. Well, not good. Okay, see your 8-day cross below here now, all your 21 and your 50 estimate. So that's not good. And we put in almost a lower low here. You got 2.525. So watch the key levels here. And if that's lost, then we just come here to the left here. You want to look at 2.474. And then we have your big retest there sitting at 2.457. Okay, so basically here, this looks lower here, but watch them price channels. That is going to be key. Now, on the upside, if you can rally up here, you got 2.62. There's your 8 SMA. We got the old 2.64, your 50-day, and then we have 2.65. There's your 21 SMA. Now, again, if you can get above, then we looked at this candle here. You're looking at 2.86. This is the big boy right here, 2.87. A key above that, then we can do your retest up there. But right now, we're not going to worry about that. There's just too much resistance here to get through to worry about that number. So watch these key SMAs here, and then watch that price channel at 2.457. All right. I'll have more for you here probably later in the day here after the pit close there at 2:30. We'll review crude oil here and natural gas. And remember, the EIA report will be on at 10:30 today. Now, on crude oil, I say, you got a bearish pattern going here. On natural gas here, you got a bearish pattern here. Don't be afraid to short it. All right. Thanks for watching.